Hey everyone, woke up at like 7 in the morning, but I just got done picking up a killer GameCube collection, and I looked on Marketplace, and I saw a guy about 55 minutes from me was selling a GameCube with like 12 games and a Game Boy player for 300 bucks, so I offered him a little bit more. I ended up paying $325 for the bundle, but when we get home we can do an unboxing and I can show you guys what in all we bought. As you know, on this channel, I don't just do video games. I used to do, mainly collectibles and stuff, but I've really gotten into flipping furniture. I got my handy dandy Tacoma, and I've got a 6x10 trailer that I run ads on Facebook for free furniture pickup, and I do some pretty solid sales on free furniture that I get and I flip on Marketplace. And I use that to funnel into video game purchases that can build the snowball and throw more stuff online. So I'll be showing you guys what we do today, showing you guys the storage unit, what couch we got to deliver. Might be delivering a dryer later, but looks like we've got a good start to the day. It's only 8:30 and we've already got a GameCube collection. Hey, so here I am at the storage unit, ready to pull one of the couches that we sold. Just a normal, standard two-piece. It's kind of like a faux leather sectional, but for those of you who want to see it, I was thinking about showing you guys my rig, showing you how I do this. I try to provide two kinds of services to people. One is showing up at their house with a truck and trailer to pick up furniture that they can't move by themselves, or they just need gone because they're moving. And then we take it, we clean it up, we make it look nice, we take pictures of it, and put it back in the marketplace. And 99% of the time, I'm the one delivering it to them, because not a lot of people have trucks and trailers. So this is my rig. Here, let me show you. I use a 2021 Tacoma and a 6x10 enclosed trailer just to be ready for any rain or any inclement weather, especially snow. Delivering that brown couch. They loved it. It was a really nice couch, it really was. I love people who have like realistic expectations about used furniture. Some people want brand new and they're only paying $250 delivered, so shout out to them for being such great buyers. I came to the storage unit now to take some pictures of this gray section that we have that I got in a house clean out. A lady from Montreal, her mom passed away, and her dad, who lives here in Vermont, was going to a nursing home, so they posted they were giving away free furniture. I wrote them quick. I said, hey, I can show up like right now. I got a dolly, just let me in, I'll grab everything you need gone. And she gave me like a bunch of dressers, a freezer, 2 portable air conditioners, which I can get like 200 bucks a piece on. She gave me this really nice gray sectional, as I was telling you about. There was so much stuff there. But I'm gonna grab this white dresser here. I'm gonna take it to the house, clean it up. I got it on a different day. It was a Craigslist free item. Probably get about 75 bucks when we clean it up. I'm gonna test out the portable air conditioners and throw them back on Marketplace to see if I can get $200 today. It's supposed to be like 100 degrees with the heat index here in Vermont, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hey all, I'm currently on my way to drop off a double rider Chariot trail behind bike accessory for $100, and I'm going to pick up a beautiful Samsung washer and dryer set about 40 minutes from my house. I think I could probably get about $450, $500 for them. I sold something similar for $375, but Samsung washer dryer sets are really nice, and when people move, they just want someone to show up with a trailer and have a dolly and just take them away. So that's what we're doing. It's actually, Vermont's really small, so it's actually somebody who I know pretty well. It's that's how it goes. Okay, it's time to check out the value of the GameCube collection now that we've delivered the couch, the washer and dryer, and that bike accessory for kids. I'm excited to see what each one of these games may be worth and what's in there. right off the bat. You can see it. Here's the console. The person had this really nicely cared for in plastic bags. We got the GameCube. Here's a Game Boy player. And the Game Boy player itself is only worth around $60. But the most valuable part is this disc right here, which on its own can fetch anywhere between $150 to $200. And checking it out, looks pretty smooth. I still have to test it to make sure it works okay, but that should be an easy $250 to make up. Because remember, we only paid $325 for the whole lot. We have a third-party, I think it's a Pelican controller. Yeah, let's not go for much. And then I remember playing with these with the mini Mad Catz GameCube controller, the cords, and then here's Resident Evil. These feel like rental cases, but that's okay. It still has the cover. So here's both discs for Resident Evil. We have Time Splitters 2, which is around like a $40 game. GameCube's really gone up in value lately. We have Star Wars Rebel Strike here, complete in the box. Turtles 3, complete in the box. I used to play this game all the time. Is the manual in here? Yep, with the manual. We have 007. We got Top Gun, complete in the box. Here's a fun one. This is like a $40 game. Metal Arms in the box. Fireblade. This feels like a rental case. Yep. Fireblade in a rental case, but with the original jacket. We have this one, and if this actually had the manual in the case, this would be over $100 game. But just with the jacket and the case, it's around $90. And here we have the Tasmanian 3 using the manual, and then Beautiful Joe for the GameCube, just the disc and the cover. I had one of these for the PS2 sealed that I got in a collection one time, and the last game is X-Men 2, which is complete in the box. So that's that for the GameCube collection. So after sitting down and using price charting to add up all the GameCube stuff, it looks like we had a grand total of $531.61. The GameCube estimate was, I don't think that's including the charger and the AV cables. So I'm going to round that up to an even $550, just because I can normally get around $100 for a GameCube system complete on eBay, and then $80 total would be minus the fees. So that would give us a grand total for the GameCube stuff of $550, which is about $225 profit. Okay, so here's the final calculations for the day. The GameCube collection is projected profit of $225. The couch is $250 flat profit since we got it for free. Of course, you want to take out a little bit for gas, but the person lived relatively close. The washer dryer, I bought it for $150, and it sold within 20 minutes of being on Marketplace for $500. I delivered it to the guy's house, so that's an easy profit of $350 and about 2 hours of work. And then the Chariot bike race thing, I dropped it off on the way to get the washer dryer, so I'm not going to count that for gas. We paid $15 for it at a garage sale, sold it for $100, so that means we made $85 profit, which brings the total for the day to $910. And one thing I'm not including is that when I got home from all this, people were posting more free stuff on Craigslist and Facebook that I went to grab. Was going to boost the sales for the next day. So this is just straight up sold items. The potential of this is as much time as you're willing to put in. Alright, welcome back to the studio. It's been 5 days since I made all that footage, and $910 in one day of selling video games and free furniture locally. It's a pretty good day of work. In the past 5 days, I've picked up a lot more. I've sold a bunch more. I've got some pretty cool videos coming out on those. It's going to take me a couple days because I'm still, relearning Movie Maker and everything. but I'm really hoping to inspire people to get out there and get the hustle going. I'm a full-time teacher, and my real passion is actually becoming flipping stuff, because I think it's fun. You meet some really cool people and you get to go to some really cool places. So if you're into this kind of stuff, please subscribe and hit like, and remember, this is Gravy Flips. Thanks.